Hi, I'm Sonia Prasadam, and I completed my doctoral work in the area of performance and anxiety. I currently work as a therapist. I have clients in their early stages of motherhood who come in for therapy to help them work through their feelings of depression, their anger outbursts, or their anxiety. And while they all have very different stories, something that ties them together is this statement: I really want to get better because I don't want my children to see this side of me. I don't want them to be affected by it. While trying to be better is always helpful, carrying the burden of not being the best can be very heavy. I also happen to be a mother who was determined to ace the role and carry out my duties with grace. But just about 2 months in, I was quickly brought to reality when I found myself yelling at my sweet little daughter because she was crying for 10 minutes straight, and whatever I did to help soothe her was just not good enough. This is just one of the many, many moments I believed that I failed as a parent. But through time, with the help of my church, community, and professional training, failure was soon seen as a friend in need rather than an enemy I wanted to flee away from. In this workshop, whether you're a soon to be parent, a parent to littles, preteens, teens, or even a parent to adults, we will unpack how to embrace our parenting failures and use them as opportunities to build less anxious children. We will dive into ways of letting go of control while finding practical ways to receive grace. Whether you're a church leader or a parent, register now for the conference to uncover the joy in imperfections.